Hey guys, welcome back to our Project M. We're all wrapped up here in South Edmonton, so we wanted to give you a quick walk around now that we're finished. So as you can see, brand new siding all throughout, brick removal, and extensive rot repair. Turned out really nice using the Gent Linen siding with a combination of vertical and horizontal. So we're done all of our work on the inside, and now it's time to leave it for the experts at Mod to do the inside of the house. They're targeting a February completion date. So we took off all the downspouts, of course, when we did our siding, put them all back on after. We also completed a soffit repair on this back wall here. And there was tons of rot on this project, about $5,000 worth of lumber and time spent here. So definitely pushed our schedule back probably a full week, I would say. This whole deck here was reframed and new soffit fascia installed. All new siding on the chimney.
Got it. Oh yeah.
Yeah, it turned out great. It was another project done. Luckily, we fitted in before the extreme cold and all the snow. So that'll be the last house we're gonna side this year. And hopefully not until sometime next spring, we'll get going on the exterior projects again. Sask Reno, we're here at Project L. What we got cooking today is Lux windows, custom Lux windows, and they have a nice aluminum painted frame. So they're really high-end windows. The client had Lux install some directly on the back of the home, and now we're slowly working our way through and changing out the rest of the windows in the home. So these 3 windows got changed yesterday, as well as 1 window on the far side. So for the rest of the day, we have a window up top to do in the top of the stairs. Paulo will give us a shot of that one if you can see it. We'll zoom out after. And then we also have the 2 dining room windows to change out and the 1 upstairs bathroom window. So like I said, they're Lux aluminum windows. They're very high-end window. Lots of weather stripping and seals and triple pane. So the customer will notice some savings on their heat bills. And we're just going to be putting back the old siding with some new J trim to seal it all up nice. So let's do a quick walk through here. We'll take you around. And that one, Paulo and I, we measured this one back in October, I guess it would have been.
Yeah, around October.
Luckily, we know how to read a tape good, and they all are fitting so far. With custom windows, there's only really one shot at it. You don't get there's no refunds, so you really need to make sure you triple check your measurements. So in the past, there was a whole big vine here, but it all died off, and you could see the old J trim here is really ugly looking, so it makes sense to change these out for some new ones. The vines definitely deteriorated the color. So since these are nail thin windows, you have to take the siding off around the window to put the new window in, which is pretty standard. And Alan, our lead hand on this project, he does full exteriors all the time, so taking a few pieces of siding off isn't a huge deal. This is going to be the fun one since it's rather high. But once we get that one done, Paulo got them to start with the hardest job, and the day should get easier as it goes. Beautiful spot here in Fort Saskatchewan. It's a West Park area, right, Paulo?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a good neighborhood.
Yeah,
for sure.
beautiful, beautiful big pie lot here. Customers got lots of room for soccer and the pool in the summer. And so that's the one dining room here. On the bump out. And then the other side, there's the last window. Okay guys, thanks for checking this project out, and we'll catch you on the next one. Paulo's gonna give us a quick tour on Project B.
Hello guys, this is another Monday morning for us for checking this bathroom project. The main problem for this project, especially this vanity here, it's an outdated vanity. That's why we ended up having this big vanity here with double sink. And also one main problem after we demoed the existing floor here, it's all rotten subfloor. That's why we need to replace, level it, and then put the proper waterproofing membrane, the Ditra. As you can see in my design, I put this beadboard here to solve the problem of the tiles, because this bathroom have a wraparound tiles across this wall here up to this vanity area. And the thing about this tiles, it's so hard to find this dimension for tiles. That's why the only solution is to create a wall or a beadboard here just to hide all this imperfection, because the shower is not too bad. We have the same tiles, that's why we keep it. And yeah, we have the solution of having this beadboard just to make it updated looking bathroom. And yeah, and for this as well, we're also planning to update, of course, the old mirrors. We're replacing it to this one right now, and then a new vanity here to be installed.
New vanity light there.
Yeah, vanity light, what I mean. Yeah. And yeah, I ended up having this fancy molding here just to have a little bit of aesthetics for the beadboard. This wall will be painted white because I want this wall to be dark.
Okay.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Okay guys, thank you.